In this video, I'm going to show you how to install ReShade from PC. So go to any browser and make sure to install ReShade. So go and type like a ReShade download, click on the first link and click on download. And make sure to click on download and download the exe file. So once it is downloaded, you can just go and open it up and just double click on it as an example. And it should be taking you here. So for me, I still haven't installed on any game. For you, you should find example all the games here that you already installed it in. If you didn't find any games example, you can click on browse and simply just look for that game. So go example to your C disk, go to your users and just locate the game wherever it is. If you don't know where it is, you can just open example the game that you want and click on open file location and you will know example where is it. So you can go and look. So this one is example in program data, Microsoft start menu and stuff, and I will find it right there. So you can go and do that with each other game and just go and select the .exe file game. Once you go and click on open, you should find this right there. So let's just do an example for you here. As an example here, I do have an exe file. It's not a game, but it's an emulator, but it's fine. I'm just going to click on next, click on yes in here. And here, as you can see, make sure to choose DirectX 10, 11, 12, click on next. And for you, if it's already installed on something, instead of checking stuff in here, you'll find three options. You'll find like modify, updates, or uninstall. Just go and choose uninstall. It's going to be third option. Click on next, and it will be uninstalled from your PC. Whether, of course, whatever game you have it on. So, as an example, now it is installed. I'm just going to click on finish, and I'm going to run it as an example again. So we're going to do everything again in here. So click on open, next, and yeah, so choose this. And as you can see here, I'm just going to choose uninstall ReShade and effects, click on next, and I should be good to go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.